Alright, so this is CJ Dropshipping right here. But first and foremost, what exactly is CJ Dropshipping? Because a lot of people may have not heard of it. So CJ Dropshipping is essentially a dropshipping agent that you can use when it comes to dropshipping your goods from China to whatever country you want to ship to. But the thing about CJ Dropshipping is that they've got various different warehouses all around the world. A lot of people always ask me, what's the difference between a website like AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping? I'm going to be making a more detailed video real soon breaking down all of the differences between AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. But one of the main differences is that you're able to connect your CJ Dropshipping account directly to your eBay account. So if you want to do that, what you can do is that you can come to this section here where it says authorization. And as you can see, you're going to be able to connect your Shopify store, eBay, WooCommerce, etc., to your CJ Dropshipping account. And if you click on eBay, what you're going to be able to do is connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your eBay store. So that's one of the main benefits of CJ Dropshipping in my opinion. Number one, they are a dropshipping agent, which means that they actually find the products themselves from the manufacturers and hold it in their warehouse. Whereas with AliExpress, they're essentially a marketplace website with various different vendors. So AliExpress isn't a dropshipping agent. There's various different sellers and various different vendors that use AliExpress to list their products. So that's the reason why the quality may differ from seller to seller, because AliExpress as a company isn't essentially double checking the quality for each individual seller. So that's a quick background of exactly what CJ Dropshipping is for anyone out there that wasn't aware. All right, so the first way that you can start dropshipping on CJ Dropshipping is by coming onto the homepage, and what you're essentially going to do is find a product that's selling well and then link the product to your eBay account, and whenever you make a sale, CJ Dropshipping is going to automatically ship it out to your customer. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can find a product on CJ Dropshipping that is performing well. So what you're going to do is start off on the homepage just like this once you've signed up. If you want to sign up to CJ Dropshipping, click the link in my description down below, because you're going to be able to go through everything I'm showing you in this video. So make sure you use that link down below in my description. But once you're on the homepage, once you've logged in, what you're going to do is come down to this section here where it says trending products, and then click on view more. And then from this point, what you're going to do is find a product that you're happy to sell, find a product that you're going to be able to answer any questions that you get from your customers. All right, so I found this product right here, which is a pet dog winter thick warm jacket. So I'm just going to click into that. So as you guys can see, CJ is able to offer us all of these different colors that we're going to be able to link on our eBay store. But before I even do that, let me show you what I do when it comes to double checking whether or not dog jackets are even selling well. So what you're going to want to do is jump over to your Zeek Analytics account. If you don't have one, you can use the link down below in my description. They currently have a 40% discount for Black Friday. So if you want to sign up to Zeek Analytics as well, make sure that you use that link down below. All right, so now that I'm on my Zeek dashboard, what I'm going to do is come to this section here where it says product research. All right, so from this point, I'm just going to type in dog jacket just like that. And I'm going to leave all of these other filters the same. And then I'm going to click on search. All right, so as you can see, Zeek Analytics is able to show us that £31,000 was spent in the last 30 days on dog jackets, which is really, really good. And we can see that the successful listings is 49%. So now that you know, or once you've double checked whether or not a product is selling well, using Zeek Analytics, what you're going to do is go back to CJ Dropshipping. So if the product that you're looking at on CJ is able to be dropshipped from a different warehouse, it's going to be listed in this section here. But this product, we can see that it's only being shipped from the China warehouse. You also need to choose whatever platform that you're going to be selling on. So eBay. You also need to select the country that you're shipping to. So as you can see, we're able to ship to all of these different countries. But for now, I'm just going to select the United Kingdom because that's where I'm based. And then the next thing that you need to select is the shipping method. The most important thing that you need to look at this point is the cost, which is this section right here, and how long it's going to take for the customer to receive it. So as we can see, 7 to 12 days is not too bad, and it's only going to cost between $6 or $7. And then the most important thing that you need to double check is the inventory. So we can see that they've got quite a large inventory for this product right here, and the processing time as well. It's going to take between 1 to 3 days for CJ to process your order and ship it out to your customer. So once you have found your product and you've gotten to this point, what you're going to do is just click on list. Once you have connected your eBay store to your CJ Dropshipping account. The second way that you can actually use CJ Dropshipping is by buying the goods in bulk. Similar to Alibaba.com, when you go on there and you find a supplier, what they're going to do is that they're going to ship you the goods in bulk. Well, that's the main way that I like to use Alibaba.com anyway. That's what you can now do with CJ Dropshipping. So they have a bulk option when it comes to any products that they sell. And the way that you're going to do that, if we stick with the same product that we're looking at, is click on buy now. So select any color that you want, any size that you want, and then select the quantity that you want as well. So for now, I'm going to select 10 pieces. I believe that 10 pieces is the minimum that you can order from CJ Dropshipping if you want to buy in bulk. So I'm just going to select that and then click on add. And then from this point, as you can see, I've got 2 other products that I was looking at. I've also selected 10 pieces for these 2 products as well. And the total amount comes up to $150. So if you want to buy in bulk, what you're going to do is click on bulk purchase right here. Now, one key thing that I want to let you guys know if you are looking to buy in bulk on CJ Dropshipping is that once you do get to this stage here where it shows you the price and it shows you everything that's in your purchase list, contact your dropshipping agent from your dashboard, because what they're going to be able to do is maybe negotiate the prices down for you. So you may be able to get the $150 down to around $140. So that's a little tip that I want to give you guys if you are looking to buy in bulk to ship to your address. So you're going to need to add an address. So I've already added this address as an example, and you now need to select the shipping method, and it gives you an estimated time of arrival. So it's going to take 8 to 7 days for me to receive this bulk purchase from CJ Dropshipping. So once you've double checked everything, you've contacted your dropshipping agent to see if they're going to be able to get the price down. You've double checked to make sure that these are the products that you want to order in bulk to your address. What you're going to do is come down to this section here and click on submit. And then from this point, you're going to be able to pay with your CJ wallet, pay with a card, pay with PayPal checkout. That's how you can buy in bulk by using CJ Dropshipping. So the third and final way that you can use CJ Dropshipping to start your eBay dropshipping business is, instead of you using bulk purchase to ship the goods directly to your house and then you send it out one by one, what you're going to want to do is come to your purchase list as we did earlier and click on this option here where it says pre-order inventory. Again, contact your dropshipping agent because they're going to be able to maybe bring the price down before this point. Click on it just like that. And then once you're on this page, you're going to be able to select any one of their warehouses. As we can see, there's various different options for different Chinese warehouses. There's also a New Jersey warehouse in the United States, as well as a German warehouse in Frankfurt. So depending on where you're going to be selling your products, you're going to be able to select a warehouse that's closest to your customers. So you're going to be able to shorten down the shipping time. And then once you've selected your shipping method, what you're going to do is now come down here and do the same thing. Click on submit and then make your payment. And then the goods are going to go directly to wherever warehouse you selected. And then when you start making sales, CJ Dropshipping is going to be able to ship those goods directly to your customer. So you don't actually have to do that. If you don't want to go with the second method of buying it in bulk and then shipping it out yourself, you can now send it to a CJ Dropshipping warehouse and they're going to be the ones to pack and ship the orders directly to your customers. So I believe that this new tool on CJ is really, really good when it comes to dropshipping for a number of reasons. One of them is that you're going to be able to buy the goods in bulk. So you're not going to have to rely on the inventory that CJ has in their warehouse for whatever products you're selling. You're going to know that you've ordered a set amount and you're not actually going to have to ship out the goods yourself. And you're also going to be able to get the goods at a cheaper price, because when you dropship one by one, you're going to pay a higher cost per unit than if you was to buy the goods in bulk and ship it directly to a CJ warehouse. So there's also a benefit of that. And essentially, you're not going to have to pack the goods yourself. One complaint that a lot of people have is that they don't necessarily want to be packing goods every single day. Me personally, I don't mind doing that because I know that that's the way that you're going to build a real business on eBay. But for those of you out there that don't have the time to pack and ship orders, using this method is a great way because you're not essentially going to have to ever see the goods. You are going to be buying the goods in bulk up front, but you're going to be shipping it to a fulfillment center that is going to ship out the goods for you. There's so many other tips that I could have given you when it comes to getting your eBay dropshipping business up and running. But if you want to watch a step-by-step video of me showing you how you can get started on eBay and connect your eBay dropshipping account to your CJ Dropshipping account, then watch the video that I'm going to link above. In that video, I show you step-by-step what you need to know when it comes to getting your eBay dropshipping business off the ground. So make sure you watch that video that I'm going to link above. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to press the like button. Really helps out the channel in a big way, really helps out the video. Don't forget to subscribe as well, hit the bell notification, and don't forget to sign up to CJ Dropshipping using the link down below in my description. I would really appreciate that. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.